Many business owners and dropshippers have a really hard time coming up with TikTok ad creatives when they first start out using TikTok ads. It may be sometimes really hard to actually come up with really good ideas that will grab someone's attention and keep it. Just like how there's Ad Spy for Facebook, TikTok has Creative Center. So we're going to dive into these and we're going to check out these videos and we're going to see what makes an ad really good. So to get to this page, all you have to do is search up TikTok Creative Center and you'll come here. Before coming into here, make sure you turn off your ad blocker because you just won't be able to access this page. Alright, so let's get into some of these videos.
She was like, oh my god, I could never wear that. And I was like, let me show you how to.
Abracadabra, these know I got answers the way I pose for the.
Okay, so this was a short video. This is definitely, in my opinion, a good one. With the shorter video, there's less likely of a chance for people to just skip off the video, so there's going to be more people that finish and see the whole video, which is our goal here.
Hi, I'd like to lower my phone bill, please.
Huh? Shh, she doesn't know that I know this hack.
I got this app called Hiatus that negotiated and lowered my phone bill for me, so now I pay less, and I was even able to cancel a few recurring subscriptions I forgot about.
So why'd you come in here?
Okay, bye.
Okay, this was actually, in my opinion, a really good ad. The music in the background is a very TikTok-y, trendy song. You hear it very often in TikTok. Also, this is a TikTok trend itself. It's the they don't know I know this hack. So they're relying heavily on trends here, and I think they did a very good job. It shows us off the product. It tells us something about the product. They just knocked it out of the park with this one. I think this is a very good one.
These are the hottest thing you can wear, and they're 70% off right now.
All right, these shorts have been out for a long time, and everyone's in love with them, and now I understand why. They are made out of this high-quality stretchy material that wicks off sweat, and it's anti-stink, so you're always going to be smelling fresh and feeling confident. Next, the fit. They have the perfect amount of stretch, and they have 5-inch inseams, so you're always going to be looking stylish. They even have this clutch deep pocket, so whether you're working out on the town, whatever, your valuables are always going to be safe. They got tons of colors, too, so whatever you're looking for, they most likely have it. So
in the beginning, it doesn't feel like an ad whatsoever. It actually feels like organic content because of this girl. But they kind of dropped the ball when they had the guy pop up, because when he popped up, he just felt like a salesman. Kind of felt pretty lame at that point. It would have been so much better if they just had a couple of pictures, or they had a couple of like guys wearing different fits and all of them were wearing these pants. And it would kind of just drill into the mindset of other guys, be like, damn, like these guys look really good. I need to get those pants. I feel like that would have been much better. And right at the end is when they could have been like, hey, you know, product is only $4.99 or whatever, $49, and there you go. It would have been so much better that way.
Information you learned that feels illegal to know. I'll start. There's this newsletter that over 3 million people subscribe to called Morning Brew. Morning Brew is a daily newsletter that covers everything in business, finance, and tech, and only takes 5 minutes to read. If you're not convinced yet, it's completely free, so there's no reason not to try it out. So swipe left, enter your email, click this button, and that's it.
So the ad was pretty good. It felt very organic, and in general, it was pretty good to watch. They're following a trend with the what's information that feels illegal to know. They did a good job. Everything here with this ad is very, very good considering what they're trying to go for. So Morning Brew, you guys get the seal of approval from me. Before I review the next ad, I just want to let you guys know that as of right now, my agency is accepting clients to work with. So if you need help with scaling your TikTok ads or just managing the advertising side of your business on TikTok for you, we got you. Just go down in the description and schedule a call with me. Okay, this ad was very short, very simple. To be honest with you, I don't know what I get out of finishing this quiz, so I have to watch this. I think you answer a couple of questions and then they personalize a book and then send it to you. I think that's what it is, but I'm not really sure. I just don't know what they're exactly pushing. Like, are they pushing a book? What do I get out of taking this quiz? I got no idea. You don't want your content to be too professional looking because it starts to feel corporate. It starts to feel like clearly like an ad, and we don't want that. We want it to feel organic. There are literally two sides of a spectrum for a TikTok ad, too professional and too lazy. And to be honest with you, this one is definitely one of the lazier ones. So we're going to watch through it and we're going to see maybe they start to clutch up later on, but so far, not good. Listen, if you made this ad or if you have ads that are similar to this, you should know that this is terrible. However, I'm going to break you down and I'm going to build you up. Order your product in, wear it. Maybe have someone walking around. So this is a sweatshirt. Maybe just put it on, wear it, walk around. Maybe have some fits on or something. Get creative with it. Have some fun. If you just post some pictures, it's not gonna do so well. I'm gonna be honest with you. This does a pretty good job in the way that she shows off the product. It's a trend, and it's clearly a little bit more creative than the last one. So this already makes it so much better. And because it implemented a trend and it feels organic, this was a very good ad.
I really want some miso soup. Oh my god, miso soup!
Okay, so this video is pretty short. She gives you a problem and then she gives you solutions, so that's pretty good. It's a little sketchy. A pair of shoes for only $10. That feels a little sketchy. So the price point might actually put people off, because what type of quality shoe can you get for $10? Probably Chinese. Idea of the advertisement itself is pretty fun. She gives you a problem, she shows off the product, then she gives you an offer right at the end. And she puts in a trend, the trending noise, the miso soup.
Funny story. I bought these pet hair resistant leggings for my sister. But once I tried them on, I fell in love. The crisscross waistband makes me look snatched, and the side pocket is everything. No hair or lint sticks to them at all. It is easily padded off. Would it be bad if I kept these for myself? Because I'm obsessed, and all my other leggings are covered in lint.
Okay, so this ad was short, and that's a good thing. And honestly, it kept my interest. Well, this feels very trendy, first of all, because they have someone telling a story and they have the TikTok girl's voice on it. So because of that, it already feels a little bit more organic than everything else. Not only that, but what they did a very good job with is she showed off the pocket. I know girls have a lot of issues when it comes to pockets because, you know, sometimes if they're not carrying a backpack or a purse or something, if they can't put anything in their pants. So this is a good solution for yoga pants.
Everything.
Shows off how the lint is easily padded off. I don't know if that's a massive problem for girls, but she did a good job with that. So so this one also, this one's pretty good.
Are the good curved skinny crop, and these are so flattering. Definitely worth the investment. The quality is so good, and they actually keep their form after the wash, because sometimes jeans, and you know how it gets after one wash, they just don't fit the same anymore. No.
I don't know. It's not that good. First of all, I don't really like this ad. It said the crop in the beginning, so I'm going to assume that means the crop top. I don't know. I'm not really into girls' fashion or anything. It doesn't even show it up front. Like, I feel like she's actually talking about the jeans. If I had the audio off, I would think she's talking about the jeans. When this comes up, I feel like it comes up a little too late. I feel like they could have pushed it for another 2 or 3 seconds later, the $50 off. And like I said, she doesn't even push, she doesn't show us exactly the product. Like, yeah, it's there. We see her wearing the product. But unless, if you didn't have your volume off, you'd have no idea what she was talking about. And there's a lot of people that use TikTok without their volume. Only around 10 to 11 seconds in, she starts to highlight the problem. Really good advertising highlights the problem early on and then says, hey, our product or service is the solution to your problem. Therefore, buy from us. If they implemented it that way, it would have been so much better. So it's decent. It's all right. This ad, I would say 4 or 5 out of 10. Not amazing. Guys definitely need to do a do-over here.
What's the problem, dog?
Okay, so ideas-wise, creative-wise, it's good that they're implementing. It's good they're implementing trends. I don't think it was decent. I don't think it was really that good. First of all, the lingerie, this should be later on. This is, in my opinion, actually too short. TikTok recommends 9 to 15 seconds, so this is actually shorter than what you should be aiming for. She didn't even match the trend up perfectly with the audio, so because of that, this one was an L.
Surprising my husband in the viral TikTok leggings. I got the TikTok leggings, and I got Haley's reaction.
I got the TikTok leggings.
You're doing the TikTok leggings! Yes! Yes! Oh, what am I magic?
Surprising my husband in the viral TikTok leggings. I got the TikTok leggings, and I got Haley's reaction.
I got the TikTok leggings.
You're doing the TikTok leggings! Yes! Yes! Oh, what am I magic? Oh my god! Oh! Kathy's like.
While I was editing the video, I realized that my audio wasn't synced up with my face, so I'm just going to quickly say what I said before. The ad was pretty good. The only problem was that they have the swipe up thing on the bottom, and if you swipe up on TikTok, then it's just going to play the next TikTok, so I don't know why they did that. It seems like they just recycled it from like Snapchat or from Instagram stories, but other than that, it's pretty good. It's a play on a trend, and it's a compilation of a trend with user-generated content inside of it, and obviously the boyfriend-husband reaction, which is pretty good.
I've been seeing these hoodies all over TikTok, so I bought a couple to see if the reviews were legit. They got to me in one day, and these are honestly the coolest designs I've been seeing these hoodies all over TikTok, so I
No, you haven't. Stop lying.
bought a couple to see if the reviews were legit. They got to me in one day, and these are honestly the coolest designs I've ever seen. The best part is they support ocean conservation, and they use 100% compostable packaging.
They showed us the product, they talk about it. However, starting it off saying, oh, I've been seeing this all over TikTok. When you get introduced lying, and if someone lies or someone realizes that I have never seen this on TikTok, it kills trust and it kills your authority. So guys, if you're watching this ad, please redo it. Please take that beginning part out. Try to put in a trend or something in the beginning. Maybe have like an unboxing instead. But later on, they showed us the design. They showed us the guy wearing it, the design. It looks pretty dope. And they talk about ocean conservancy, which is really, really incredible. So this ad was very good. They just need to fix up the beginning because they lie in the beginning. So that's very unappreciated. I think it's very unethical.
He's all over TikTok. So
everything else is fine. So these guys did a very good job too.
Hi guys, I'm gonna be styling this top from Adidas. It like has lace and it clips in the front. So yeah, also the set is from Adidas too. Okay, I have two ideas. The first is leather pants and then just a mini skirt. Okay, so this is fine, but I don't like the satin and the leather together. Just, I don't know. So this is cute, but I also have this cropped cropped blazer from Adidas as well. I want to try. Okay, I like this. This is cute. And then also these kitten heels from Adidas as well. Okay, so this is the outfit and the shoes.
This ad is very long. At least she does a very good job putting everything on. I think her idea here is very good, but I think it's just too long. So if she was able to condense it into 25 seconds or less, this would have done much better.
328, you got it. They got coming in hot, reclaim the sea, and let's get hammered hoodies. Fold them up, add a sticker pack.
That was it? That was a very short advertisement. So this is too short. I know I preach talking about, hey, you know, make your ads very short, but this is just way too short. I got no idea what was going on here. They showed the designs for a very short amount of time.
I really like your body. I really like your body. I really want to get naughty. I think you're such a hottie.
Okay, that was another very short ad, and as you guys can clearly see, fashion does very well on TikTok. I don't even know what product she's selling, so I'm gonna assume every single product she's wearing is what she's selling, or maybe she's selling fits. So when you're selling fashion or anything, you know, when it's clothes related, when you show off a fit, you want to make sure that the person watching knows exactly what part or what piece you're selling. So that's the end of the video. This was pretty simple. TikTok Creative Center is a really good tool for you guys to use and to just review videos, maybe see what's working, maybe even get an idea of products. It's a really valuable asset to anyone that's in TikTok ads, just like Facebook for Ad Spy. So I recommend using it, and I hope this helped you guys out.